Waking up today was no accident. You gave me health and happiness. Alhamdulillah for these precious gifts. Live today, not tomorrow. Ya Allah, I thank you every time. I can see clearly through these eyes. Subhanallah, these are simple signs. Know that my time is borrowed. From my eyesight down to the touch, I cannot even thank you enough. I promise you I'm not giving up. Jannah is what awaits me. Life has been more than good to me. Even the pain has taught me to see. Appreciate even the air you breathe. Ya Allah, you made me. I'm grateful for every single thing you've given me. I'm grateful, and I don't need to worry about a thing. And if I forget to thank you, Lord, just give me a sign I can't ignore. I'm grateful, and I am so grateful.
What you have leads to a single word, felt with every single nerve. No matter who you are, always put him first. Let it flow like the river. Nothing in this life is truly mine. The beauty in my life that you designed. Now I see it every single time. Al-shukru, alhamdulillah. From my eyesight down to the touch, I cannot even thank you enough. I promise you I'm not giving up. Jannah is what awaits me. Life has been more than good to me. Even the pain has taught me to see. Appreciate even the air you breathe. Ya Allah, you made me. I'm grateful for every single thing you've given me. I'm grateful, now don't need to worry about a thing. And if I forget to thank you, Lord, just give me a sign I can't ignore. I'm grateful, and I am so grateful.
I'm grateful for every single thing you've given me.
I'm grateful, now don't need to worry about a thing.
And if I forget to thank you, Lord,
Just give me a sign I can't ignore.
I'm grateful, and I am so grateful. I'm grateful, and I don't need to worry about a thing. And if I forget to thank you, Lord, just give me a sign I can't ignore.